Alright, let's look at the homework 6, problem number 10. Alright, so we have f of x equals 5x squared minus 6x plus 5, and we want to find the following expressions. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, let's do part A. Alright, so we want to find f of x plus h. Alright, so what we do is every time you see x, we replace it by x plus h. Alright, so we have 5. Alright, here's x. So I'm going to put x plus h instead, squared, minus 6. We see x, so we put x plus h instead, and plus 5. Alright, so we just have to simplify this. Alright, first we have 5 here. Alright, so x plus h squared would be x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. Alright, then we can distribute negative 6 to x and h. So you have negative 6x minus 6h, and then you have plus 5. Alright, then we can finally distribute 5 to all three terms in the parentheses. Alright, so this is going to give us 5x squared plus 10xh plus 5h squared minus 6x minus 6h plus 5. Alright, so let's type it in. Alright, so what we got was 5x squared plus 10xh plus 5h squared minus 6x minus 6h and plus 5. Alright, so let's check the answer. Got that. Alright, so let's do part B. Alright, part B, we want to find, we actually already found f of x plus h. All we have to do is subtract the f of x from that. Alright, so we want to find f of x plus h minus f of x. Alright, so I'm going to copy the answer from part A. So you have a 5x squared plus 10xh plus 5h squared minus 6x minus 6h plus 5. Alright, then we're subtracting f of x, which is 5x squared minus 6x plus 5. Alright, so we can do cancellation. Alright, you have a 5x squared, cancel with 5x squared. Alright, then you have a negative 6x minus negative 6x. Alright, then 5 minus 5. Alright, so what's left is 10xh plus 5h squared minus 6h. Alright, so let's type it in. Alright, so what we got was 10xh minus 6h. Oh, actually, sorry, I forgot the 5h squared. And let's see, so it's going to be plus 5h squared minus 6h. Alright, so let's check the answer. Alright, we got that. Alright, part C is take part B and divide by h. So let's do that. Alright, so we want to find this difference quotient, which is f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. Alright, and so the numerator is the answer from B, and the one thing I would do is, since everyone seems to have h in it, I'm going to factor h out. So you get that 10x plus 5h minus 6. So we factor h out, and then we're going to divide through by h. Right? That way we can simply cancel h on top and h on the bottom. Right? So what you get is 10x plus 5h minus 6. Right? So let's type that in. Right? Oops. Here. Right? So we got 10x plus 5h minus 6. Alright, let's check the answer. Alright, got that. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.